Check the description box for recipe details and quantities. These Indian pink onions are ideal for this biryani due to their natural sweetness and subtle flavor. If unavailable, regular red, brown, or white onions will work just fine. Reserve the onion-flavored oil, we use it for the marinade, and also while cooking the rice. Biryani is only as good as the rice you use. Choosing premium basmati rice ensures a light, fluffy, and flavor-packed dish. Sear the marinated chicken in a heavy bottom pan over a high flame just for a minute to get it started. If you're enjoying my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Seal the pot with a tight-fitting lid, cling film, or go traditional with a flour dough for an authentic cooking experience. Start cooking on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes, then switch to the lowest flame setting and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. After cooking, it is very important to let the biryani rest in its pot for 20 to 30 minutes. This ensures even cooking of the chicken and fluffy rice. Garnish and serve immediately with the prepared Raita. Enjoy this flavorful, luxurious biryani with friends and family. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.